What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of Wednesday Addams. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to start by drawing two lines going across the top of the eyes. So we'll leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We'll go all the way across and then out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, drawing that same length line. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a curve. We're going to come down towards the bottom of the eye and then bring that back up on the inside. Let's trace the bottom of the eye along the inside. So start on the left, just curve this down and then up. And then we'll fill the center of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve this up and then back down on the right. Let's move all the way down towards the bottom and draw the mouth. We're going to go up and then down. Now lining up with the outside corner of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to step out, curve this down, just underneath the mouth, round up the head, and then up on the right. Now let's add in the hair. We're going to start on the left side, bend this in, and then up, come down and out on top of the eye, and we'll just bend that in towards the center of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Moving down and over towards the right, bend that back up, and we'll curve this down and out towards the right side of the head. Let's go back and darken up the bottom of the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to come down a little bit lower in the middle and then bend that back up on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. And it will fill the bottom areas of the eyes. Now let's add in the eyebrows. On the inside corner of the eyes, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out in behind the hair. Continue up in between. Now let's go back to the center of the head, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top. Let's work our way around the left side. We start by going up, round up the head, come all the way down, and then just bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, go up, come all the way around the side, come down, and we'll bend that in towards the same height. Let's tuck the hair in underneath the head, coming in and then up. Let's add those braids along the side. On the left, we're going to step up, curve this around, and just pull that in towards the center point. Let's line this up on the inside, go in the opposite direction, down towards that bottom point. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to continue down towards the bottom, but we'll go a little bit smaller. Just come down and in towards the middle. Let's add one smaller one on the end. And now we're going to add the end of the braid. Starting back on the left, come around, in, and just pull that down towards the bottom. Line this up on the right, go around, in, and then bend that down. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the collar. We're going to start in the center, angle this down and out toward the left and right side. Angle this out and up underneath the head. Let's draw in the tie. We're going to start with the knot, draw two straight angle lines coming in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom corners of the knot, angle this down and out, and we'll pull that in towards the center. Now I want to move out to the side and draw on the body. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the collar. Draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Line this up on the right. Let's connect the hips with the curve, coming down underneath the tie and then back up. From the hips, we're going to curve the dress going out, and we'll bend that down towards the bottom. And we'll connect the ends with the curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Now we're going to draw the arms tucked in behind the back. Let's start from the top of the collar, angle this down and out towards the elbow. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the elbow, bend the arm coming down and then in towards the side. Let's trace the inside of the arm. From the top of the body, step down, angle this down and out towards the inside of the elbow. And then curve the arm coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to go back and draw on the feet. Let's start in the center with a straight line coming all the way down towards the heels. And then from the center, we're going to curve the bottom of the foot, coming down and up toward the left. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to bend this up and then bend that back down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the top of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up and in underneath. Let's add that thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Wednesday Addams. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.